Our client has decided to transform a non-new airplane that resembled a worn-out sofa inside into an incredible private jet with a fresh and modern design. The feelings of modernity and convenience were the main priorities that inspired our interior refurbishment project. A design was presented using materials such as Italian Alcantara, genuine leather, and carpeting. The design style combines contemporary solutions with elements that are reminiscent of the past. During the process, we strived for each detail to be meticulously chosen and refined, creating aesthetic harmony. A significant amount of work was put into ensuring comfort during the flight. Every pilot will appreciate the soft armrest, which required intricate effort to manufacture in such tight spaces. The seat backrest perfectly corresponds to the orthopedic shape of the spine, and footrest cushions were created to provide added comfort for the client's legs and accommodate their height of the new interior. This aircraft has become more than just a means of transportation. It is a true embodiment of taste, desires, comfort, and utility.